Hey guys, I've got a update for you guys. I got a demo. We did an update a few weeks ago on Medium. I'll post a link down on the YouTube um, thing description. And I got a bunch of devices here to kind of show you where we're at. We are tomorrow is June. It's late on May 31st. It's probably already June for some of you guys. And we are up against this deadline with Dropbox getting rid of their first version of their API, and so we're trying to get everything fixed. I just kind of want to show you where we're at with syncing and Android, and just it's not done, but we are sprinting to try to get it as get it completely tested and get all your data migrated over to the new version of the app. We're rebuilding it from the ground up. We have been for over a year now, and so this is the finish line, and just looking forward to showing you guys this stuff. And I hope it encourages you, and we'll talk to you guys more soon. So check this out. All right, so we've got a few devices here. I got an iPad mini. I got this is a Samsung Galaxy S5. A friend of mine loaned me that. And we've got this iPhone 7 Plus and iPhone 5S here. The nice thing is that all this stuff is working across. So you can see on here, if you zoom in here, we got Bob Goff, Mother Teresa, Mina Brown, Chip and JoJo. We got Lecrae. We got some good leaders here, and so let's mark in some leaders. And Steve Urkel and Pacey, and we'll have Kevin McAllister. All right, so they're all present. So that gave us 6 people present on there. And then if we just jump over here, we've already got our 6 people marked present, and you'll see that they're all marked present, and it's all live. You can. As you mark people present, you might see them popping up on other ones. It's just kind of whichever one that you're on, it just marks everybody else. There's no pull to refresh anymore, so that's really nice. Again, just like normal, if you filter stuff, like I only want to see staff, that's only going to filter on your device. It doesn't affect everything else. You can add a new student. So let's just make a student called D, and we'll say no texts and homeschool. You can see some of this still needs to be finished here, but add a photo real quick of the desk and use that. And so create this student. So this student's name is D. This isn't sorting right yet, but over here it's not going to work because we've filtered, but down here you'll see that D is already on there. He's marked as present. Over here D is up, so it's all and then you can uncheck him, and he's going to uncheck all the way across. So check this over here for the filter, clear all those filters and go back. So now I've got my students on my Android device, and there D is on there, but he's not marked present. Let's just add him back in, and he goes to all the devices. Also, we've got this working, so I'm going to show you this. So I'm just going to show you kind of from the beginning. So this is a cheap little tablet, little LG tablet. So I've got this in my test library right now. It's just not even installed, so I'm just going to go and show you one of the things that we are able to do with this new system of syncing and moving away from Dropbox is that this is going to download and install the app real quick, and then you'll just have an easy way to you just tell your all your leaders the name of your ministry and your like a ministry username and a ministry password, and they're able to just kind of log in and get all the information without having to do the whole like handoff to log into Dropbox and all that stuff like that. So installing, we'll see here. Home. There it is. All right. So again, this is super rough because it's not all the way done yet, but let's say, so is your ministry already using MinHub Youth on a device? Yeah. It's on other devices. Are you the ministry leader? No. And they just have this, so this is a test one that I've set up. So let's say this was Mayday 44, that's the name of your youth group. You give them a password that they know, and then they can log in, and it just starts syncing all the staff right there. So this is me, so you see all the other staff just come in, and then I can log in. My password is Q if you want to log into mine. And I got all the people right there, and then I can just go into the event, click on the event, and I can see the attendance, but it looks like it's passed. So obviously that screen's not done yet, but there you go. That's how quick we're actually able to get all the information onto your screens. So anyway, that's about it for the demo. So we're working on getting everything working. We added some stuff with stats that's going to be new, but basically everything was just duplicating the functionality of what we've had in the app so far, and trying to get that done so that we can beat the deadline that Dropbox gave us for the end of June. And then from there we'll be able to finally finish up some of the stuff that that just been sitting in the wings, some of the features. So anyways, if you got any questions, you guys can hit us up on Twitter. We're MinHub app, and I'll try to get back to you as fast as I can. I also do have another job. I am a pastor, and I have to connect and preach and do a lot of other things. So, but I will connect with you as possible. And anyway, just look forward to serving you guys and getting this out and helping you guys in serving your ministries. So, talk to you soon.